Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. From this article, you will learn all about Young Indians Parliament and their mission. Let's get started. Today, students have a plethora of platforms to explore and hone their skills in STEAM fields. But what about students with a burning desire to serve their country and become catalysts for social progress? This is where the Young Indians Parliament steps in. The Young Indians Parliament is a pioneering initiative designed to bridge this gap. This program brings the parliamentary process to life for students across India, offering those in grades 9-12 the opportunity to engage in debates, discussions, and decision-making that mirror real parliamentary democracy. More than just a forum, YIP mission aims to empower the next generation by fostering critical thinking, public speaking skills, and the confidence to voice their opinions. These future leaders will embody the values of accountability, inclusivity, and progress, ensuring a more vibrant democratic society. YIP serves as a rallying call, urging students to seize the opportunity to become architects of change in their communities and beyond. The driving force behind YIP. YIP is an initiative of Young Indians Thaler, Ye Thaler, a transformative platform dedicated to the holistic development of students. Ye Thaler partners with schools across India to empower and nurture young people into responsible, inclusive, and happy citizens. As part of the well-established Confederation of Indian Industry, CII, Ye has been instrumental in nurturing young minds and propelling India's growth narrative since 2002. CII is a powerful force in India's growth story. The CII, a non-profit organization, has played a pivotal role in shaping India's development journey for over 125 years. By working closely with the government, industry leaders, and civil society, the CII creates an environment conducive to India's progress. A brighter future. The Young Indians Parliament, fueled by the collective efforts of Ye Thaler, Ye, and the CII, is more than just a program. It's a powerful movement igniting potential and sparking change within students, paving the way for a brighter and more inclusive future for India. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned: Young Indians Parliament empowers students to engage in debates and decision-making, mirroring real parliamentary democracy. YIP mission fosters critical thinking, public speaking, and confidence, promoting accountability, inclusivity, and progress among future leaders. YIP, Ye Thaler, and CII collaboratively nurtures young minds, shaping India's growth and creating responsible, inclusive citizens. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.